Hi there, this side Viren. So today we are trying to discuss one more code forces problem, and it is of round education code forces round 120, and it is totally rated for D2 participant. I also tried this question. It's very interesting question. So let us see what was the scenarios given here. So question name is construct a rectangle. So we have to construct rectangle. So let us see what was the scenarios here. There are three sticks with integer length L1, L2 and L3. So we are given three sticks and the length is also given to us. So basically we have to do, you are asked to break exactly one of them into two pieces in such a way that these are the condition which satisfy that sticks we are going to break, that both pieces have positive integer length. So it means that it is a case that we have to break the stick in two parts. No, we cannot leave the stick because a rectangle consists of four sides, so it is a sure condition. So the total length of the piece is equal to the original length. Okay, these all are the basics of the, I mean the basics we can consider. And it's possible to construct a rectangle from the resulting four sticks such that each stick is used exactly one of its side. So we have to construct a triangle from the three sticks after breaking one of the sticks into two parts. So here it is given that square is also considered as a rectangle, as we know that because square is a special case of rectangle. And determine if it's possible to do, so we have to just determine. And if it's possible, so we simply print yes, otherwise we simply print no for that case. So let us see here, its input is given is like that, and this all are the output. And here is the, I mean the good explanation of this question is also explained here. So let us explain some better way. So here, so as per the question, I take three length sticks, 6, 1 and 5. So basically just by observation we are get to know that we just break 6 into two parts, 1 and 5. So now we have four sticks, 1 5 1 5. So we simply generate one rectangle from this, like this is the one stick of length 5, this is a one stick of length 5, this is one stick of length 1 and another sticks of length 1. So yes, this input generate one rectangle, so we simply print yes for this case. So what was the approach we are going to build the code? So let us discuss that approach. So basically i basically I just do one thing, like I just short the length of entire string like this. So after shorting we get like 1 5 and 6. Okay, so it is a case that all string have different length. So so we short, so we are sure that last element is greater from all. So we just check that the sum of these two sticks is equal to or not last element. Because if it's equal, so we can break this larger sticks into these two parts because the sum is are equal. So okay, this was the one approach. And let us see another test case, so we get to know. Yeah, okay, so if we get a two string of same length then one string of another length, so here also if we short, so we are getting the sticks in this order only. So we just check that which two element is same. Like if first two element are same, so we apply condition on third element. And if other, if like that, if last two element are same, so we apply condition on first sticks. Like which condition we are going to apply, like if 5 is even number then we simply print yes. Why? Because 5 is even number, 5 is not here, it's not even number because 5 is odd. So for this case we are simply print no. Because 5 is not even number, we cannot break 5 into two equal parts because rectangle needs two equal parts here and two equal parts here. So if we are getting 5 then it's not possible because it's like this, one side is greater than another side, so it will not generate one proper rectangle. So for this case also we print no. So let us see one more test cases, so we are getting clear idea. Okay, so here I take this test case. So here also I first we short, so we are getting this order. and we are sure, we check that first two element is same or last two element is same, because this is the only condition. If we have three numbers, so if these two are same, so we just apply condition last and check it's even or not. It's even, so we simply break into two equal parts. Whatever the size of first two, we are not considering, because we just simply place this two like this and another two like this. So yes, it will also generate one. If you might have question, if all the three sticks have same length, then what we do? So let us take that case also. For example, I take 6, 6 and 6. So here the sorted order of this is also the same, 6, 6, 6. So here the first condition itself satisfies that first two elements are same. So we can simply check for the last, and it's not, it's even number. So in this case also we are just printing yes. Let us take one more example, it will clear more. Again again the three numbers are same like this, 3, 3 and 3. So in this case also first first two element are same, so we simply check for last and check it's even or odd. So it's odd, so we can't broken this line string into two equal parts, because it will generate a rectangle like this. One side is bigger size of 2, it's size of 3, it's size of 3, it's size of 2 and 1, because we've broken 3 into 2 and it was not a proper rectangle. So we simply print no in this case. So let us see how I implemented in code part. Okay, I just simply got confused while submitting. I just submit two same code two times wrongly, and I try one another approach, so I getting wrong answer on same test cases, and I tried this was the last approach and I got accepted label for this also. So has in question itself, we are I just use array here for taking input of three length of string, and I take using scene and take the input from the user and just simply sort the array using inbuilt function. And I check that if first two element are same, so we apply the condition on last element. If it's even, so we simply print yes, otherwise we print no. The same if else. So here in else also I check this is for first two element, and this is the condition for last two element. If first is different and last two are same, so we are applying condition on first element and check that first element is even or odd. If it's even, so we simply print yes, otherwise we print no. If these two conditions are not satisfied, so we simply came to else part, and here we check that all three, here we are sure that all three are distinct length string sticks. So we know that last tick is having length greater than other two, so we just check the sum of first two is equal to the last, so we simply print yes, otherwise we print no. So you see that I got okay verdicts for all the test cases. So yes, this was the simple approach I used for this question, and I got happy new year. Just change this label accepted to happy new year because of December. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt related to this question, you can surely